Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, grade 6. Hope so you all are well by the grace of Allah Almighty. Students, in our previous lecture, we have completed question number 3 to 6 of exercise 4b. Now move towards the question number 7, that is find the smallest number of 4 digits which when divided by 40, 50 and 60 leaves a remainder of 5 in each case. Students, हमें वो smallest number find out करना है जो कि first one तो 4 digit हो और second one ये है कि वो number 40, 50 एंड 60 इन तीनों से क्या हो डिविजिबल हो और जब इन तीनों से डिविजिबल हो देन रिमाइंडर शुड बी 5 इन ईच केस. सो लेट्स फाइंड द स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर. स्टूडेंट्स, हियर इज द सॉल्यूशन. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर 40, 50 और 60 से डिविजिबल है देन इट मीन्स स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर शुड ऑल्सो बी डिविजिबल बाय देयर LCM. So first of all we will find the least common multiple. So in order to find least common multiple, let's see, we can either find least common multiple by division method, by prime factorization method or by common multiple method. So I have selected division method. So student, you can see that 2 2s are 4 and 0 will be as it is. These numbers are divisible by 2. So next 2 2s are 4 and 1 will be carry here and 2 5s are 10. 2 3s are 6 and 0 will be as it is. Now these number can also be divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 0 will be as it is and 25 as it is, as 25 can't be divisible by 2. 2 1s are 2 and also 1 will be carry here, it would become 10 and 2 5s are 10. Now we can see that the number 10 is also divisible by 2. So 2 5s are 10 and 25 and 15 will be remain same. So either these number can be divisible by 3 or not. 5 will be as it is and 25 as it is and 3 5s are 15. Now 5 25 and 5 can be divisible by 5. So 5 1s are 5 and 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. Now 5 1s are 5 and this one will remain same. Students, we know that the product of these values is called least common multiple. So the least common multiple of 40, 50 and 60 is equal to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 5. And if we find the product of these values then the answer will be 600. Students, this is the least common multiple of 40, 50 and 60. Now as we know that smallest 4 digit number is equal to 1000. This is the smallest 4 digit number, but we have to find that smallest 4 digit number which when divided by 40, 50 and 60 leaves remainder 5. स्टूडेंट्स, जैसा कि मैंने आपको पहले बताया कि अगर स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर 40, 50 और 60 से डिविजिबल है देन इट मीन्स स्मॉलेस्ट 4 डिजिट नंबर इनके LCM से भी डिविजिबल होगा. सो LCM हमने फाइंड आउट किया 600. सो लेट्स डिवाइड 600 एंड स्मॉलेस्ट 4 digit number, that is 1000. So here you can see that 1000 is dividend and 600 is divisor. So 600 ones are 600. If we multiply 600 to 2 then it will be greater than 1000 and that is 1200. So students, 600 को 1 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर क्या आ रहा है हमारे पास 600 और अगर हम इनको सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे आंसर किसके इक्वल होगा 400 के. सो 400 हमारे पास क्या है रिमाइंडर है. सो स्टूडेंट, अगर इस रिमाइंडर को हम डिविडेंड में से सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दें सो हमारे पास वो नंबर आएगा जो कि 600 से कम्प्लीटली डिविजिबल होगा. सो लेट्स फाइंड दैट नंबर. Here you can see that 1000 minus 400 and the answer is equal to 600. Student, 600 वो नंबर है जो कि 600 से ही completely divisible है और leaves no remainder. But you can see that it's not smallest 4 digit number, it's 3 digit number. We have to find 4 digit numbers. So by adding least common multiple into this value we will get 4 digit number. You can see that 600 is the answer of this subtraction and 600 is LCM, that is already mentioned here. So by adding least common multiple into this value the answer is 1200. Students, we know that it is already mentioned in the question that 5 is the remainder in each case when divided by 40, 50 and 60. So we will add the remainder 5 to 1200 in order to find the required number. So students, you can see that the required number is equal to 1205 and also 1205 is the required number and it is that smallest 4 digit number which we will divide by 40, 50, 60 leaves remainder 5. Students, as 1205 is the smallest 4-digit number, and that is the odd required answer. So let's see either it is divisible by 40 or leaves remainder 5 or not. You can see that 43 is our 120, and after subtracting the answer is 5, and we can see that here remainder is 5, which means that 1205 is the required number. Students, you can also check for the number 50 and 60, and in that case remainder 5 will also be left. Now move towards the question number 8, that is find the greatest number of 5 digits which when divided by 25, 30 and 40 leaves a remainder of 20, 25 and 35 respectively. स्टूडेंट्स इस क्वेश्चन में हमें 5 डिजिट ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है जो 25, 30 और 40 से डिविजिबल हो, और जब 25 से डिविजिबल हो तो रिमाइंडर 20 आए, 30 से डिविजिबल हो रिमाइंडर 25 आए, और 40 से डिविजिबल होने के बाद रिमाइंडर 35 आए. सो लेट्स फाइंड द ग्रेटेस्ट नंबर ऑफ 5 डिजिट्स. Students, here is the solution, and you can see that first of all we will find the least common multiple, as the greatest 5-digit number is divisible by 25, 30 and 40. Then also greatest 5-digit number should be divisible by their LCM. So first we will find the LCM. You can see here this number can be divisible by 2. So 25 will be as it is, 2 ones are 2, 1 will be carry here, and 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4 and 0 will be as it is. Now 25 as it is, 15 as it is, and 2 ones are 2 and 0. So next one is 25 as it is, 15 as it is, and 2 5s are 10. Now these numbers can be divisible by 3. So 25 will remain as it is, 3 5s are 15, and 5 will be as it is, as 25 and 5 cannot be divisible by 3. Now students, these numbers can be divisible by 5. So 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5, and 5 1s are 5. Now 5 1s are 5, 1 as it is and 1 as it is. We know that the least common multiple of 25, 30 and 40 will be the product of these values, that are 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5 and multiplied by 5. If we solve these product, then the answer is 600. Students, greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. But we have to find that greatest 5-digit number which would be divisible by 25, 30 and 40 and leaves the remainder 20, 25 and 35 respectively. So students, you can see that if the greatest number is divisible by 25, 30 and 40, then this greatest number should also be divisible by their LCM, that is 600. So let's divide it. 99,999 is the dividend and 600 is the divisor. So 600 ones are 600. First we will take these 3 values. Students, यहाँ पे सब्ट्रैक्शन के लिए मैंने सिर्फ 9 को यहाँ पे नीचे लिखा है, और जो यूनिट प्लेस में 9 डिजिट मौजूद है उसे बाद में नीचे उतारा है. So 9 as it is, and after subtracting 0 from 9 the answer is 9. Also subtract 0 from 9, the answer is 9. Now subtract 6 from 9, the answer is 3. Now 600 multiplied by 2 is equal to 3600, and after subtraction you can see that after subtracting 0 from 9 the answer is 9, 0 from 9 the answer is 9, and 6 from 9 the answer is 3. If we subtract 3 from 3 the answer is 0. So now this 9 is here, you can see that. Again 600 multiplied by 2, the answer is 3600. Now subtract these values, the answer is 399. This is the remainder. As we can see that remainder is smallest than divisor. स्टूडेंट्स, अगर हम रिमाइंडर को डिविडेंड वैल्यू में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करें देन हमारे पास वो आंसर आएगा जो कि 600 से कम्प्लीटली डिविजिबल होगा. सो लेट्स फाइंड दैट नंबर. 99,999 माइनस 399, and the answer is 99,600. This number is totally or completely divisible by 600. Now students, it is mentioned in the question that when the required number that we have to find is divided by 25, the remainder will be 20. And also when the required number divided by 30, the remainder will be 25. And when required number divided by 40, remainder is equal to 35. Students, we show that after subtraction 25 minus 20, the answer is 5, and 30 minus 25, answer is 5, and 40 minus 35, answer is 5. स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं रिमाइंडर की वैल्यूज चेंज है, लेकिन रिमाइंडर का जो डिफरेंस है वो बिल्कुल एग्जैक्ट सेम है, और वो क्या है 5 है. इसलिए हम 99,600 में से 5 को माइनस करेंगे, 5 को ऐड नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज हमारे पास रिमाइंडर 5 नहीं गिवन, जस्ट डिफरेंस गिवन है। सो 5 नंबर को हम जस्ट 99,600 में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, ऐड नहीं करेंगे बिकॉज रिमाइंडर इज़ 20, 25 एंड 35। अगर रिमाइंडर हमारे पास एग्जैक्ट गिवन हो देन हम रिमाइंडर को ऐड करेंगे, बट रिमाइंडर एग्जैक्ट गिवन नहीं है, डेट्स वाई हमने इसका क्या फाइंड आउट किया है, डिफरेंस फाइंड किया है और डिफरेंस को हम गिवन वैल्यू में से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, ये जो हमने फाइंड आउट की है। So student, after subtraction, the result is 99,595. That is the required number, which is divisible by 25, 30 and 40 and leaves remainder 20, 25 and 35 respectively. So let's check either 99,595 leaves remainder 20 when divided by 25. Students, here you can see that our required number was 99,595, and if this number is divisible by 25 then remainder should be 20. That was already mentioned in the question. So let's divide it. 25 3s are 75 and the answer of subtraction is 24. 5 will be as it is here. Now 25 9s are 225. After subtraction the answer is 20 and 9 will be as it is here. 25 8s are 200 and after subtraction the result is 9 and 5 will be here. Now 25 3s are 75 and after subtraction the answer is 20. As you know that 20 is smallest number than 25 and this is also remainder. So we can see that if this number is divisible by 25, the remainder is 20. Students, you can also check if this number is divisible by 30 and 40, then the remainder should be 25 and 35 respectively. This is a rough work not included in your solution part. Now question number 9 is, what is the lowest number that must be added to 2000 so that the sum is divisible exactly by 10, 12, 16 and 18. Student, we have to find the lowest number that we will add 2000 and the answer of the sum should be divisible by 10, 12, 16 and 18. So let's find the lowest number that must be added to 2000. Students, here is the solution. सबसे पहले हम जो गिवन नंबर 10, 12, 16 और 18 इनका एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करेंगे. सो लेट्स फाइंड द एलसीएम. 2 5s are 10 and 2 6 are 12, 2 8s are 16 and 2 9s are 18. Now this number can be divisible by 2. 5 as it is, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 9 as it is. Now again 5 as it is, 3 as it is and 2 2s are 4, 9 as it is. 5 as it is, 3 as it is and 2 1s are 2, 9 as it is. Now 5 as it is, 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is and 3 3s are 9. 5 as it is, 1 as it is, 1 as it is and 3 1s are 3. Now 5 1s are 5, 1 1 1 as it is. Students, now the LCM of 10, 12, 16 and 18 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 and multiplied by 5. If we find the product of these values then the answer is 720. That is the answer of least common multiple of 10, 12, 16 and 18. स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे पास जो रिक्वायर्ड एलसीएम आया है वो है 720. सो नाउ लेट्स फाइंड द मल्टीपल्स ऑफ 720. हमें वो नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है जो कि 720 का मल्टीपल भी हो और 2000 से ग्रेटेस्ट भी हो. सो if we find the multiples of 720 then the first multiple is 720, second multiple 1440 and the third multiple, if you multiply 720 to 3 the answer is 2160. Students, you can see that this number is greater than 2000. In the question it was mentioned that we have to find the lowest number that must be added to 2000. So in order to find the lowest number we will subtract 2000 from 2160 and the answer is 160. That is the required number and that is the lowest number that must be added to 2000 so that the sum is divisible by 10, 12, 16 and 18. Students, let's see either the sum 2160 is divisible by 10 or not. You can also check for 12, 16 and 18. Students, here you can see that the number 2160. So we have to check either this number is divisible by 10 or not. So 10 2s are 20. After subtraction the answer is 1 and 6 will be here. 10 1s are 10. After subtraction the answer is 6 and 0 will be here. And 10 6 are 60 and the remainder is 0. Students, you can see that the number 2160 is completely divisible by 10. स्टूडेंट्स, ये हमारे सॉल्यूशन का पार्ट नहीं है। इसके करने का पर्पस ये है कि आइदर हम चेक कर सकें जो आंसर हमने निकाला है आइदर वो करेक्ट है या नहीं। Question number 10 is for bells toll after intervals of 8, 9, 12 and 15 minutes respectively. If they toll together at 3 p.m., when will they toll together next? Students, इस क्वेश्चन में 4 bells इस इंटरवल के बाद अगर बजती हैं और ये कि 4 bells एक साथ 3 p.m. पे बजती हैं, तो हमें वो टाइम फाइंड आउट करना है जो कि जिस पे ये 4 bells नेक्स्ट टाइम इंटरवल में एक साथ बजें। Students, here is the solution. First of all, we will find the least common multiple of 8, 9, 12 and 15 minutes. Now 2 4s are 8, 9 as it is, 2 6 are 12, 15 as it is, 2 2s are 4, 9 as it is, 2 3s are 6 and 15 as it is, 2 1s are 2, 9 as it is, 3 as it is, 15 as it is. Now 1 as it is and 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15. 1 as it is and 3 1s are 3, 1 as it is and 5 as it is. Now 1 1 1 as it is and 5 1s are 5. So the product of these values will be 360 in the form of minutes. Now students, we will convert 360 minutes into hours, and we know that in 1 hour there are 60 minutes present. So we will divide 360 to 60 and the answer is 6, and this answer will be in the form of hours. So 6 hours will be added to 3 p.m. So now add the 3 p.m. plus 6 hours. If we add 6 hours to 3 p.m., then we will get 9 p.m. It means 4 bells will be tolled at 9 p.m. So students, at 9 p.m. 4 bells toll together next.